Now we want to cut off this big tree. Yeah, we want to cut it off. So as I told you, I'm gonna do it in my way. Okay, I'm gonna cut here and then cut it back so the tree will fall that way. Okay, now there's a piece off. Then I'll cut from the back. So you can see I can use it with both hands. With both hands. There's a safety switch on both sides. Put it away. Okay, are you ready? And then cut it off. Lovely? How do you like it? So the tree is fallen. You can see the size of this tree is almost the same size of the bar. Now the bar is 7-inch, so we can say the tree is about 12 to 15 centimeter.